somebody else. Last year it was someone else. You have to live in the moment, and they've been nice enough to choose me as number one, and it's a nice feeling, and we're all here to celebrate. I also think that the brand endorsements also are a result of the films that you do. I am an actor, and for me that is my priority. I think I've been very fortunate to have, in the last 2-3 years, the kind of roles that I've done have been very, very different from each other, and I've got the opportunity to do that and to play different characters. So I guess something like this, or the brand endorsements that you're talking about, are a result of that, and of course I guess the success of that, and I guess the relatability of the character. I think Arjun was perfect for the part. I think our trailer's launching now in a couple of days with Lekar Hum Deewana Dil, which is a film that I'm really looking forward to. Yeah, I think when I read the script, I couldn't think of anyone else but Arjun. I think he really fits the part. As an actor, there are times where you have to work towards looking like that part. And there are times when you're lucky, like for me it happened with Ye Jawani Hai Deewani. I just had to more or less be myself, and I think this film is like that for him, and I think he's fabulous in the film. But more importantly, I think the fact that I got the opportunity to work with Naseeruddin Shah, Dimple Kapadia, Pankaj Kapoor, 5 of us for 1 month in Goa in a car was a fantastic learning experience. I'm kind of nervous, like it's almost my first film for some reason. Ranveer has been a fantastic co-star, and we've done a beautiful movie together. And Imtiaz again gave me one of my most memorable movies in Love Aajkal. And so now getting to work with the two of them together, and Rockstar is again one of my most favorite films. So I'm really getting that, that feeling when you're really excited about something, butterflies in the stomach, almost like it's my first film. I don't think it's right for me to be discussing this like this. I think it really depends from project to project, and I think what happens is when you start discussing things like monies in public, it kind of takes away from the creativity of what we do. There's a basic reason why I'm here. I enjoy being in front of the camera. I love the job that I do. I love performing and all of that. When you start discussing monies and the financial aspect of a film, it's not something I'm very comfortable talking about. I have a team that manages that. In fact, I never speak to the producers myself directly. From the start of my career, I've had an agency that manages my work, and they do the talking. And I'd like to leave it like that, because when I'm on set, these are not things that I worry about, and these are not things that I want to think about. And I don't do films for the money. It's true, Ranveer and me are doing Bajirao Mastani, and we start shooting end of this year.